Do you believe in love? How crazy it could be, baby, baby, stop. Take it easy. When you would leave, I swear I can't breathe. Do you really care, baby? Even wonder your homicide. You are my fantasy, my only desire. Kukutekereza nijoro bituma nasinzira, 'cause you make me fall in love, darling, darling.
A flower cannot blossom without sunshine, and man cannot live without love. If you have only one smile in you, give it to the people you love.
Go slowly, 'cause I can't take it. 'Cause I can't take it.
Courtesy of Meru TV and Dere FM, in conjunction with Incredible Hot Hair, Mr. and Mrs. Jagger were the winners of a fully paid food and accommodation for Valentine.
Give me your attention, 'cause you got my affection, baby, baby, and so good the day, taking us step by step on the beat. Put your night hand in hand in the street. Getting by. Sing it. You are my fantasy, my only desire. Kukutekereza nijoro bituma nasinzira, 'cause you make me fall in love, darling, darling. If you touch me one more time, I might lose my mind. Baby, it's too much here. Can we go slowly? 'Cause I can't take it. 'Cause I can't take it. 'Cause I can't take it. By my way, yo, yeah. Easy way, yo. Na, 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 na. 'Cause I can't take it. 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 Oh, sorry. Ooh, yeah. Do you believe in love? How crazy it could be, baby, baby, stop. Take it easy. When you would leave, I swear I can't breathe. Do you really care, baby? Even wonder your homicide.
To express the joy, this is what they aim to say.
Tulipata breakup ya irashinze kugagira ikishira cyatuka kiranwa FM ategeba Meru TV na kigeba Meru FM kaya bugarime sana sikuwa bugeti unatetambo eje na buketari magwaneo kwa hiyo siombe. In fact there's a TV ni ile kidarimu na torelesi okaje kugonya kuita wewe ngwa tunaweza kuja tu tunashukuru pamoja kaja ukairuka wa Afrika kaja ujange kila kitu hapa ni mzuri
sababu change tena kazi nyingine kwa ile FM na Meru TV kwa kibali kile kwa kwao Incredible Hotel arafu ya ndoa donki at the best place tukua wene keno. In fact wamechangia siku yetu kuwa mzuri, tunashukuru sana.
Bita Frida Kawira Abureni Incredible Hotel ila ni Kimeki Center kwenda kukukaribisha, kwenda the best rooms, kwenda cottages, whether family kwenda cottages, ina kitchen, ina kila kitu kukukaribisha Incredible Hotel. Naru intukuira tukenerete muno tuna the best couple Kimeru tona this is the best place kubareta ke Incredible Hotel.
Sema asante kwa Meru TV tegemeo letu Mr. Chage pamoja tumewakaribisha kwa hii hoteli. Hii ni maoni ya director alisema zawadi ishindaniwe na ndio Meru TV iweze kufanya promotion na tukiambia wageni wetu wale wako within Meru town na outside Meru town, this is the best place kuleta occasion na kufanyia mambo yako hapa, seminar, accommodation, chakula, kwa hivyo ujisikie nyumbani na Meru TV itegemeo lenu.
Cause I can't take it.